Alright, how's everyone doing today? Finally got lucky and picked up a Sin Racing F450 right at the local hobby shop. I'm gonna do an unboxing, see how she turns out. So we got a controller. Not really too bad. It's like a pretty decent looking controller. Got the little average tools that come with it, a couple Allen wrenches, lug tool. Got the American 4 stickers, all the Sin Racing stickers in the manual. See, we went with the black F4, or I think it's the gray F450. Got the red American Force rims on it. Bodies are pretty sweet looking. Nice cool mirrors on it. Got the stickered sunroof up top. Body off and see how the chassis looks. There's the chassis. Love the duals on the back. It's a super long truck. These American Force wheels are super cool. Little tow receiver right here to hook up the trailers. Hopefully we'll get a trailer soon and pull the LMT around.